Hey guys, this is the tutorial that I wish I had while learning Wero Rolls. This is a trick done in bottle grip and allowing the clubs to roll down your arms in a continuous cascade. There are lots of variations, plus the clubs just feel great rolling down your arms. So let's dive right in. Quick tip is to practice over a bed as it will make picking up a lot easier. What needs to be understood about the roll is that we're first making contact with the club right at the tape with our elbow. We will then allow the rest of the club, the bulb, to roll up to our hand. The arm is going to make an elevator type up-down move. So you'll be making contact with the club and then pushing your arm up, thus controlling the speed of the club as it continues to roll. There is also a more subtle out and then back in push as you move up, giving a kind of swirl effect. The push happens when the club reaches the end of our arm down to about our wrist, and then we will then push to the other hand, which is waiting to catch. The catch is for single club manipulation. A good 2-club drill is to put one club in your hand so that you can work on navigating during that roll. So I start this trick with a couple crosses, but in general the pattern is done with native side placements. And then the hand that you just placed is going to reach out and grab the falling club that's being pushed. This trick is ripe with variations. However, instead of trying to explain this one, I just decided to add a little slow motion, so check it out. Thank you guys, and happy rolling!